Let's learn about me. A penny equals 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. A penny equals 1 cent. That's its value. A nickel equals 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. A nickel equals 5 cents. That's its value. Dime equals 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. A dime equals 10 cents. That's its value. A quarter equals 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. A quarter equals 25 cents. That's its value. $1 equals 4 quarters, 4 quarters, 4 quarters. $1 equals 4 quarters. That's its value. Money can buy goods and services, goods and services, goods and services. Money can buy goods and services. That's its value.
For more educational resources, visit the Green Chalkboard store on TPT. You can also visit my blog, firstteaserheroes.blog, and follow me on Pinterest at the Green Chalkboard 1. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.